Right now, let's also move on to track other developments. The Chief Minister of the National Capital, Atishi, is likely to submit her resignation at 11 a.m. She will go to meet the Lieutenant Governor at the Secretariat to submit her resignation, is what we are learning at this point of time. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, who secured a win from the Kalkaji Assembly constituency, defeating BJP's Ramesh Viduri, will submit her resignation as the Chief Minister and will visit Lieutenant Governor Vinay Saxena after reaching the Secretariat. All right, Arzu, my colleague is there with me live on the broadcast. Arzu, at 11 a.m. is what we are given to understand that Delhi Chief Minister Atishi is going to submit her resignation. Share more details.
Well, yes, the incumbent Chief Minister Atishi will be visiting the Delhi Secretariat today at 11 a.m. To hand over his resignation to the Lieutenant Governor at 11 a.m. And this comes following the huge victory that the Bharatiya Janata Party has got and the mandate that the Bharatiya Janata Party has got, in which, there has been 48 seats that the Bharatiya Janata Party has won. And after that, if we talk about the Atishi herself, she won the Kalkaji seats, defeated Ramesh Viduri from that. But yes, it was a tough time for the party as they have not won these elections. And now the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi will be, submitting her resignation to the Lieutenant Governor at 11 a.m. And after that, the process of forming the new government will take place in the national capital. Yet BJP is yet to decide the Chief Minister phase, and every time they followed the same tradition of contesting the assembly election without showing the CM face. And this time also in Delhi election, they fought this election without the CM face. But yes, they got the majority in the Delhi elections, and now there will be a meeting, what the sources are telling us, that will be held in the BJP also to talk about the CM phase, who will be the CM phase. There are several names that are running, in fact. But yes, as far as the opposition, as after the result came, the mandate came, Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia has sent a message through a video in which they said that we got a lot of love from the national capital. The public has given us a lot of love. We have done a lot of work for the national capital. Now we will be sitting in the opposition, and also continues to raise the issue that are connected to the public, and also will continue our welfare work that we have done in the past few years. Also now there will be the Aam Aadmi Party will be sitting in the opposition, and as far as the Delhi Chief Minister is concerned, Atishi is now going to hand over her resignation to the Lieutenant Governor at 11 a.m. Yes, Simran.
All right, Arzu.